Alright, so just a few quick fixes now. One problem we're having is whenever the menu comes up at the end of the game, it's not displaying your score. So what I think is happening there is this function's running twice on the impact. So we want to just do a quick if statement here. So we'll see if the game's still active. If it is active, we're going to set it to false. And then we're just going to end the game. Or we'll run that function. So that way that function will only ever run once. And we can get rid of this. Just save that up. Then back in here we also had the meteors are not destroying. So we want to put a tag on those. I think it's because we changed the prefab from like a test projectile. So that just needs a remove tag. And I want to change the name of the game. I've been using Planetarium, so I think that should do just fine. Just put that as our game title. And we'll run it to make sure everything works. So there's Earth. There we go. So we got our score, and we can return, and all the asteroids are now gone. So we should get a nice clean start when we play a game. It is adding a sun every time. So maybe we will just remove that. Let's go to the sun. And when we spawn planets, get rid of that. Instead, we're just going to add it right in the game, right off the bat. So we'll drag and drop a sun prefab in. Oh, there we go. Let's put that at 0, 0, 0. And we'll try it again. They are all going to miss. Alright, let's try that again. Terrible at my own game. Really terrible at this. Ideally, you'd want to try and do some calculation there and avoid the planets. There we go. Okay, so we got our score. We have one sun. We're going to return. And yeah, so still just the one sun. So that works pretty good. Let's also just delete this projectile. Delete, whoops. Get out of play mode there. So we'll delete that old test one. And yeah, that should be good.